Ateneo couldn't seem to do anything wrong in the 2018 Chooks-to-Go Filoil Flying V Preseason Cup on Thursday, dismantling National University with a 94-60 beatdown at Filoil Flying V Centre in San Juan. Showing no signs of rust after a long break, the Blue Eagles opened the game with a 26-10 salvo and never looking back, extending the lead to as high as the 34-point winning spread. The win kept Ateneo immaculate in Group A, joining Salle at the top on 5-0 records. "They were itching for a game, and I'm reasonably pleased with them," said coach Tab Baldwin of his players, who were coming off a 5-day team-building session in Baler. "Baler does a lot for this team, for their esprit de corps, pulling them together and getting the message to this team. It's all for one for this team." Thirdy Ravena led the Blue Eagles with his 20 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists. Angelo Kouame also registered a double-double of 12 points, 16 boards, and 5 blocks, while Mike Nieto got 11. Ateneo was dominant in all fronts, winning the battle of the boards, 53-32, shooting 50% from the field and dishing out 23 assists in a balanced attack. The Blue Eagles also limited the Bulldogs to just 32% shooting from the field and forced 19 turnovers, turning those to 19 easy points. "Today, we showed that we're willing to extend ourselves defensively and help one another, help each other," said Baldwin. Sean Ildefonso was the lone Bulldog to crack double digits with his 16 points and 5 rebounds in the defeat the Bulldogs' 4th in 7 games. The scores: Ateneo 94, Ravena 20, Kouame 12, Nieto 11, Mendoza 9, Nieto 8, Navarro 7, Asischo 6, Tio 6, Belangel 5, Black 3, Magdenberg 3, Mamayak 2, Wong 2. New 60, S. Ildefonso 16, Mesquita 8, Mangayam 7, Josen 6, Aquino 5, Clemente 5, D. Ildefonso 5, Gallinado 3, Gallego 2, Salem 2, Diputado 1, Gay 0, Sinclair 0, Tibian 0, U 0,